This is visualization detection summary. First is import matplotlib.py plot as plt. Then detection stats success in equals entry count. Success out equals exit count. Load detection equals max 0 total frame slash 30. Then success in plus success out. Success in total detection in entering. Success out total people detecting exit. Then load detection estimated number of miss detection. Then data labels success in success out low detection. Labels categorize show on the x-axis. Then value detection values y-axis. Then colors this color each category has its own color. Okay.